XRP is forward chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to my last analysis, since the price was here, we discussed how we can look for trade, and I mentioned the best things is if the price retests the previous low following by divergence, then any reversal for buy from there will be the best. And exactly this is what we get. All right. And if we move to a lower time frame, similar explanation. And to look for trade, we have to look for flag based on either 5 or 15 minutes, because based on 1 hour chart, there was no trade set up. And whoever get the trade for buy from here, and since the overall market moved like Bitcoin, right now whoever wants to keep the trade books on profit. Okay, now I want to see what's the next. Okay, anyway, we move to daily chart, and we look at, I mean, we can consider this one as a correction. We can look for one move up. Okay, and this means we're looking for continuation. If I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. I'm not really interested to look for sell. And as I mentioned, we can expect, because if there is a continuation as a corrective, even we can expect the price drop to the 30 cent. But at this point, since we see the movement for the overall market, if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. But if we see the continuation as a corrective, we are not really interested to keep the trade, or at least book over move or stop loss to break even. All right. Now, what's the next? If I move to lower time frame, what I wanted to explain is that still we can, that's why I mentioned whoever get the trade for buy from here, they should know how to manage it. Still, we can put these two relative to each other in the bigger picture, and this one can turn to a deeper correction. That's why we have to look for books on profit. Now, if anyone wants to look for buy from here, the best thing is if there was a continuation as a sharp move flag based on 1 hour chart or even 4 hour chart. But as we can see the price almost at the top of this one. No, whether we can look for continuation or we can look for the next drop as what I explained. Okay. We cannot confirm at this point since overall market is moving. Okay, then we don't need to wait for this option. This is how I do. Whatever we get from here, we book some profit. And to look for the next trade setup, we can look for flag based on 1 hour chart. All right. And if anyone wants to look for buy from here as a flag, they can put the entry above the top. It's not a really good trade setup, but we can, at this point, we can take the trade. And for me, if I want to take the trade, I put my entry above a bit higher. If we get the flag here, I prefer the price consolidate another at least 1 or 2 hours. And even at this point, if we want to put our entry above here, what we want to price sharply tag, break, and continue the price tag within the first or maximum second hours. If we see there is no continuation, we shouldn't keep the trade more than 2 hours. It's not the best trade setup. And if this one, the consolidate here under a few hours is the better, that means if you want to put the word trees, the better than at this point. Okay. And again, it depends on the strategy the traders they're using. And the reason is because still we can expect this one to be more complex for the next drop. But the reason we want to look for buy from here because of the overall market. Then if any trade from here is not the best, but we can take it. And if we move to higher time frame, if we move to daily chart, based on daily chart, if we get any opportunity for buy from here, the target we will put the previous top, and with the breakout of this one, that's mean with the breakout of the 74, we're looking for, if we move to weekly chart, it will be more clear. We're looking to see the breakout of the 94 cent. The breakout of the 94 cent is really important for us. Okay, and we should know that we can expect the continuation as a corrective, and even we can expect the price retest the 30 cent. That's why continuation as a corrective, we are not, if we get any opportunity for buy, we consider as a short term, as long as we get into the profit, we move our stop loss to break even, but we are expecting sharp move. That's why for me, I'm expecting if we start to move, it can move really sharp. That's why if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. But if it's not moving my direction, or if I see the continuation as a corrective, I will take out the trade. Then I will look for the next opportunity. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. The breakout of the 94 cent is really important for us. But at this point, we don't see any continuation as a sharp. That means we can look, and even we don't see any trade setup based on weekly or daily chart, but based on 1 hour chart or 4 hour chart, we can look for the short-term trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.